Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable auto brightness on Samsung Galaxy A16. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and, of course, Wi-Fi and network settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Adaptive Brightness. You might see other options related to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or hotspot settings pop up, but ignore those. We're looking specifically for the option to adjust brightness automatically based on your surroundings. Step 4. From the search results, tap on the option that says Adaptive Brightness. Once you're inside, unfortunately, this option is turned off. Step 5. For the last and most important step, tap the toggle to turn Adaptive Brightness on. Your phone will now automatically adjust the screen brightness based on your lighting environment. Want to turn it off? Just tap the toggle again, and you're back to manual control. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.